So let's start with the first topic of the session, that is speed maths. The reason we are starting with speed maths is because this is one of the basic topic, and this forms the backbone for any competitive exams for that matter, or any aptitude exam that you face in life. So what I'll do is I'll just divide speed maths into few areas like squares, cubes, ratio, and percentages, patterns. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. So, and obviously one more thing that basically will comprise like how can I do fast calculation. This is something that we need to learn, because and we might use some Vedic techniques as well. Vedic techniques. Okay. So let's start with a simple example first. I think let's start with the example, and then we'll be better in a position to relish what we are actually trying to achieve. So let's take a simple example. This is a circle, basically a pie chart for the total population of a town. Suppose let's take Delhi. Population is, let me assume it to be like 180,000, out of which this is the female population, which is 30,000. The question is simple. I just need to find out what is the percentage of female population. Now typically what we'll do is like we'll write this 30,000 by 18,000 into 100%, so that would be the typical percentage. But to go in this manner, this will take a lot of time, so I won't advise doing this method. So what I'll do is I'll simply go ahead. I know this is 30,000, this is 180,000, so typically this is nothing but 30 upon 180, which is nothing but 1 by 6, which is nothing but 16.66%. Now this 1 by 16 is 16.66%. If I know that 1 by 6 is 16.66%, the entire calculation becomes very very easy. Otherwise you'll waste a lot of time, and time is money in any exam. So I hope we realize how important this is. ठीक है. तो आगे बढ़ते हैं. एक और एग्ज़ाम्पल लेते हैं. सपोज़ मेरे को 9/11 गिवन है and I need to find out what percentage this correspond to. Now if I start dividing 11 by 9 and trying to find out the result, this will take typically a lot of time, and I don't have time in exam. If I simply know that 1 by 11 is nothing but 9.09%, which means that 9 by 11 is nothing but 9 into 9.09%, which is basically nothing but 91.81%. This saves me a lot of time, which is the driving point. Okay.